When it comes to having beautiful skin, sometimes it's not only what you do, but what you don't do. According to dermatologists and best-selling authors Dr. Katie Rodan and Dr. Kathy Fields, the right habits can make a tremendous difference in your skin's appearance. Hi, ladies. Great to visit with you today.
Good morning.
Nice to see you. Okay, let's start at the beginning and talk about skincare. What's the best way to cleanse your skin?
Well, cleansing is a very important first step, and what we love as dermatologists is really gentle exfoliant cleansers. These are cleansers with fine microbeads, not apricot pits that can tear the skin, but when you gently polish the skin, you sweep away the oil, the grime, the makeup that's in your pores. Even the pollution today is a factor. So you really want to clear the skin so that now it can accept those beautiful moisturizing ingredients or your antioxidants, anti-aging ingredients in a much better way. So a very important key step in starting your day.
You know, there are so many products out there, and when you start reading the labels, it's mystifying as to, which of these different ingredients is going to be best. What should we be looking for in an at-home skincare program?
Well, you're so right about that, because there's so much confusion out there and misinformation. You know, the most important thing really to do is to identify what your primary skin concern is, because we're all unique. We all have our own issues. We can help people do that. We have on our website a solution tool that you answer a few basic questions and then you can get to that answer and the right product recommendations. For example, if lines and wrinkles are your primary concern, as they are for many of our patients, Dr. Fields and I like hyaluronic acid and peptides. And it just so happens that we have discovered a new format for these wonderful ingredients, which are acute care patches, which you can put over areas of fine lines and expressions, like around the eyes, the crow's feet, or the upper lip. Leave them on overnight. It bathes the skin in hyaluronic acid and peptides that gives that plumping effect. So when you remove them the next day, your skin is really smooth and hydrated, and over the course of time just gets better and better.
Let's talk about some lifestyle changes. When you all have been here in Nashville before and we've talked about things, you've told us about no-cost things that you can do, even as simple as the way that you sleep at night, that can radically change the way your skin looks.
Absolutely. 20% of aging is your DNA, your mother's genes, for example. But 80% is your environment and your habits. And that's big news. That's great news. So, for example, if you sleep on your face every night on your side, you're going to engrave these lines across your face. So sleep on your back. Number two, and certainly very important, is to wear sunscreen every day to stop the assault from the sun. And by the way, when you apply sunscreen full face, remember, your cell phone is wearing more sunscreen than you are, so you must reapply. It definitely comes off, so reapplication is so important. And there's lots of little things. When you jog, you're actually causing sagging in the skin, so get on that elliptical instead. Though exercise in general is excellent for skin health.
All right, what are some other tips that folks might be able to find from you two? You're such great experts.
Thank you. You know, I think one of the most important points that we would like to stress is taking care of your skin, because what you do every day will make a far greater difference in how your skin ages going forward than any procedure that you could have in a dermatologist's office intermittently, like Botox or fillers or lasers. It really is within your control. Just as Dr. Fields said, it really does matter. So getting the right products and using a system, and that system should be addressing your primary issue, brown spots, sun damage, sensitive skin, or say acne. And we really help people to do that. We have a website called rodanandfields.com where you can go for loads of information.
All right. Always nice to visit with you, ladies. Hope you'll come see us in Nashville again sometime soon.
We
sure
will.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. If you'd like to find out more, go to our website, newschannel5.com. We'll link you to their site, rodanandfields.com.